At what time should we irrigate? I'll tell you right from the start. Never irrigate in the evening because there's a high risk of fungi. It's best to irrigate in the morning, ideally before the sun hits the lawn or even right as the sun appears on the lawn. With one mention, if your lawn is facing north and the sun appears at 12 o'clock, never irrigate before 11 because your grass will remain wet and you'll have a high risk of developing fungi in the lawn. The best thing for you is to irrigate 1 hour before the sun appears on the lawn. As a general rule, in the evening, irrigate at most 2 hours before the sun sets. At your place, the sun might set at 4 o'clock, but that doesn't mean you should irrigate at 4 o'clock. You can irrigate somewhere around 1 or 2 o'clock, giving your lawn 2 hours to dry so it doesn't stay wet in the evening and overnight.